An exciting part of brush lettering is the special effects we can create. In the first example, you can see how I add a drop shadow with the Pen 68 brush. To do this, we need to imagine how the light would fall on the paper and where it would create a shadow. Following this principle, we add a shadow to the single letter. In addition to the drop shadow, we can also create a line shadow with a felt tip pen like the pointMax. The line can be drawn close to the letter or with some space. With a Pen 68 metallic, we can also add some light points to the letters. The felt tip pen can be used to add many other high contrast special effects within the framework of the brush lettering. These can be small strokes or small dots that are dense at the top and decrease in density towards the bottom. Another popular effect is small stars and dots that add even more glamour to a word. A quick and easy special effect can also be created with a Pen 68 brush and the felt tip pen. Just draw a line with the brush pen and write over it with the pointMax. Finally, I'll show you how blending works. We take two brush pens and rub the tips of the pens together. Then we write our word with one of the two pens. As you can see, the red color is still very present at the beginning, and towards the end the intensity decreases. Alternatively, you can also use a transparent foil for blending. To do this, apply the first color to the foil and pick up the color again with a second brush pen. In contrast to the pen tip technique, this can create an even color gradient. Have fun trying it out!